Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot SEO tools for topic clusters, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate HubSpot SEO tools for topic clusters, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. In the top menu, locate and click on the Marketing tab. From the drop-down menu, select the Website option. Then, click on Blog to access your blogging tools. Within the Blog section, look for the Topic Clusters feature. If you don't see it immediately, check under the Settings or Tools. Click on Create Topic Cluster to begin setting up your cluster. You will be prompted to enter your main topic. This topic should be a broad subject that encompasses several related subtopics. After entering the main topic, click on the Next button. Now, you'll need to add related subtopics that will link back to your main topic. Consider what questions your target audience is asking about this main topic. Enter each subtopic and click Add as you go. Once you have added all your desired subtopics, review your entries. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking on Create. Now, your topic cluster has been established. Next, you'll want to create and link your content to this cluster. Start by creating a new blog post for your main topic. Ensure this post serves as a comprehensive resource. Include links to all the subtopics within this post. After publishing, ensure each subtopic also has its designated blog post. Finally, review the internal links between the main topic post and the subtopic posts. Consistent linking will enhance SEO and improve user experience. Congratulations, you have successfully activated HubSpot SEO tools for your topic clusters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.